So आम्ही immediately we got in touch with Komnidat to find what was going on. So तेणी आमकां सांगलें की कोणे mischief केल्या and they are going to file a police complaint. So आमी तेंगोडे touch नासले. So now the Panchayat is taking its stand that Panchayat is with the villagers of Santa Cruz. आणि आमी हें जे ब्लंडर कोणे केला हांव तुमकां सांगूंक शकना वाल मोडला तोडला इन्वेस्टिगेशन तें करचें आनी थिंगा सारकें गोमोंक जाय वाल तोडला काय मिस्टेक जाल्या काय इट इज वॉट एवर इट इज लेट द इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजन्सी फायंड आउट एंड टू कम क्लीन ऑन दीस नाव एज पर आतां कितें डॅमेज जालें ऑलरेडी आमच्या गांवांक कित्याक ह्यो बांयक इफेक्ट पडटलो सगल्यांक इफेक्ट पडपाक जाय सो आतां डॅमेज कंट्रोल करपाक की दुसऱ्या वर्सा हें घडोवंक उपकारना So आमची 5 तारीख मीटिंग आसतली पंचायत मीटिंग सो वी विल propose for a CCTV camera to be installed at the wall so that next time such incident or such blunder should not occur. So this we will keep in mind and we will also make sure that maybe we'll write to the police to have a patrolling once in a week or whatever they can do because it is accessible. They have a road there. पण it is हें बरें दुर्भाग कितें घडलां तें हें गांवांक घडोवंक उपकार नासलें आमकां पण we will try to do whatever best we can do to control this damage. Now we will be the secretary is also here. A report will be made. We will write to the WRD and to the biodiversity and to the police for the necessary action to be taken.